Hi, I'm Roland with mpress computers, and today we've got a case where a company's offices were flooded. The water actually came into about here, shorted the machine out. They did have a backup, but the backup was plugged into the computer and both were sitting on the ground. So we're in the process. The external hard drive was damaged beyond repair. We're going to possibly send it off for data recovery, but first of all we want to see if we can get the data off this hard drive. So we're hoping, because the hard drive was high enough, that we'll be able to take it off and clone it to another machine and get them back up and running. We'll let you know a little bit more later. But this strikes the importance. You've got to have your machines off the ground, don't keep them on the ground. And you should really have your backup on a NAS drive sitting higher up in the office in a different location. And you should have multiple backups, one offsite and a couple local. If you're relying on one backup, and you get flooded, or you get a lightning strike, or you get theft, or any multiple things that could happen, then you're dead in the water. So if you don't want that to happen, come in and speak to us and we can go over those options with you. And we'll be back a little bit later on just to see if we were able to get the data off it. Give us a call, 281-647-9977.